Alright, Mace. Do you want to throw it again?
Good, buddy.
You throw it? No, Darby. You gotta let him throw it to you first, you dumb dog.
Here you go, buddy.
Hey. Throw it! Throw it! Nathan, throw it. Yay! Yeah. Mace, come here. Come get the ball. Can you throw it? Can you throw it for the doggy? Throw it. Good job. Good job.